Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to hide duplicate values in Excel. So let's start. This is my Excel and here you can see I have a data set. So in this data in amount column there are some duplicate amount here showing. See the 514, 514, 1479. So these are the some duplicate values over here. So I'm going to hide it. Just simply select the inside the cell and use the Control A, then go to the Data tab. In Sort and Filter Group, click on the Advanced option. And here the Advanced Filter dialog box is open. In Action, the first option is automatically selected. And here in the List Range, just click on this arrow and select the entire column range. So I select here entire column range. So I just drag above and I select and drag the entire column. Okay. Here you see in C column C2 to C26, the entire column is selected. After that, just click on this arrow and just click on the unique records only. So unique records only is showing and others duplicate data will hide. Just click on only unique records showing. Okay. So hope you understood. And if you want to unhide this data, simply select the cell. Use the Control A to select the entire data. Again, same as go to the Data tab. In Sort and Filter, click on the Advanced. And here, just click on OK and that's it. You can see your data is unhide. So this is a way you can hide the duplicate values in Excel. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.